What's going on, guys? This is Danny from Tribal Barbers. I want to get into these Babyliss trimmers. One of my favorite trimmers out here. Everyone is going through this issue where it's a lot of buzzing sound, right? Like a bzz, like a real loud sound, and it's common. I've been looking it up. It's a very common issue with these trimmers, and I finally figured it out after a couple cleanings and trying to figure things out, like what it is, right? So I'm gonna get straight into it, and let's get it. So I took these apart, right? I unscrewed it. I oiled them up. I've seen videos where they say it's a spring hitting the screws. I was trying to figure out, maybe it was like the two blades like grinding together. There's none of that. Eventually I was looking at these little plastic pieces right here, and they got little like curves in them. Usually when they're brand new, they're just straight on both sides, but I noticed they got damaged with the rotator and these trimmers, right? You see those rotators? So it gets damaged after a while of each use, right? So a couple months, right? I literally bought them, and I had an issue with them like 3 months later. So yeah, maybe I'm doing something wrong. Maybe I am doing something wrong. I'm not sure, but it's two of them I already went through, right? Two blades. And every time I don't got no time to be trying to fix them or trying to order just a single piece, because I'm always busy. But yeah, so it's these little pieces right here, man. It got dented on both sides. After a while, all of them started doing that. So Babyliss, if you come up with a solution where these little plastic things are maybe a little stronger, or maybe you can comment or explain to me why they're getting so messed up, right? But I'm pretty sure I maintain my products properly, but that's the issue. It's nothing else. Like I can probably screw these on and show you the sound, right? So this is it right here. This is nice and quiet for now. I'm gonna screw this thing right here, right? Do it quickly because I got somebody coming in. All right, and show you the loud buzzing sound I'm talking about. All right, put them things back in there. All right, but anyways, go follow me at Tribal Barbers. Actually, you can follow me on Instagram at Tribal_Barbers. That's my barbershop page and my brand, right? And you can order my merchandise on tribalbarbers.com. I'm gonna be coming out with a lot of things soon, hopefully. This is the beginning. But let me show you what these blades sound like, and the sound everybody's going through right now. I got a lot of barber friends telling me the same thing. Right? You see that loud? So that's the loudness I was talking about. I oiled them and I did everything, but like I said, that's the little plastic thing right here. You know what I mean? If you could tell, well, this is the new one that I just took out, but if you could tell here, I don't know how close you can see, but the bottom one is dented from the bottom, and this one is dented from the top, like dented or chipped, whatever you want to call it. And it's not having any real, like, that's when these rotators start rotating, after a while it just damages the plastic. So I hope you guys learn anything. If I helped you out, press the like button, comment if there's something I can do to avoid these problems, and subscribe. This is my first video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. There's many more things coming your way, so deuces.